morning, I see your lovely face. Aye. Your cheeks like butter, honey from a teacup. You take my breath away. Hey, aye. Your pretty little fingers so tender, like petals from the morning gloom. Your laughter a joy to remember. Heaven has blessed me with you, 'cause every day you came to me. My whole life